clot foot. Let me tell you this pussy. You see you look a blood clot rotten foot pussy wall junk. You look a crow you look a blood clot germs. You pussy wall dead dog. You smell like when in our mug pussy wall. In your rotten inside out pussy wall. Father God give you all kind of sickness for you got blood clot deal with. Sugar kill you. And before you got blood clot, sit down and pay attention to your blood clot foot them who are rotten out. Every day, Batman and Sodomite when no soon. You know how much Batman and Sodomite do soon, Jamaicans? Remember, a whole heap of them. The amount of people of you know how much girl take shitty hood because of you know. Because Batman can't come out and be them blood clot self in our surrounding. So Batty we are woman we are fuck Batty. Cannot take that same cocky there and shove up in a blood clot girl pitney hole. You follow me I deal with? You not follow me? Alright now. So just because of the way how you feel, all kind of whole heap of disease cannot give you woman them because Batman a fuck them. Because you Batman Foota feel like every day you have to get up in a social media. Yeah, you hate Batman. No, bitch. You don't hate bumbo clock Batman one time. Batman, when you see Batman, you love them. I fuck you and fuck them because you give Batman the biggest bumbo clock. I like them. Anytime you hear for your name, a Batman surround youth. You know how much Batman not see your youth. You know how much Batman not care about your youth. You know how much Sodomite not care about your youth. Probably true you see that Sodomite get up and beat you so much. You feel like the Batman get up and care about your youth. You know say Instagram take away your page youth. Instagram take away your page youth. And the first my blood clot that so one page gone. Because you get up every day when you feel like say you do and a bullying. Someone wanna look at beliefs them wanna have a Jamaica or wonder why you not broke so. When you say yes glad so you broke, when you this me go now for this. When you want it. Not for you want it down and suffer like blood clot dog. But every day when you get up with this one bag of gay eating. When you eat Sodomite, when you eat this, when you eat that. What the fuck she fi do? You know how much Batman I buy on a blood clot mixtape them. You know how much Batman I buy dancehall music. You know how much Batman I can turn up in a blood clot some fest. The whole of them. Batman been a gas thing. Batman been a go in a asylum. Batman been a go cactus. Batman been in a dance. All of you Batty Foota, the whole of you play for Batman. You know the dance them don't know who in the pussy. Tappy. Bumble hole. Enough Batman control money pound account and skettle. Foota, remember say you want blood clot dancer go. He's a dancer stripper. Man have a beard with money at night time, so good boy. Man a fucking in your bumble clot mode. That's why every day you can get up and talk about Batman so. And if a man no control money for you at night time, you don't feel like you work dirty girl. Dirty big pussy girl. You can't do no blood clot better. Why? Why you can't do no better? Because you feel like you have to get up and eat Batman every day. Where you live? In a one blood clot barbershop. Batman better off more than blood clot you. But every day you get up with this gay eat. Pussy what you do in America? What you do in America? You think your page alone them go take? You feel like say your page alone them go take pussy hole? You go on. I hope a blood clot immigration when you have problem with them I send your blood clot name right now. You know how much Batman there in immigration. You know how much Batman there in Congress. You know how much Batman there in White House boy. The same country where you fight for blood clot state. When you talk about hang gay people this that rare. Enough of them when you see in a bumbo clot courthouse. Enough of them when you see in the Batman and Sodomite them. The whole of them are Batman and Sodomite. Every one of them when you say, oh, yeah man, Batman, Sodomite, them can't live another night. Thank you. Them can't live another night. Why? Because yo, Jamaica not believe in this pussy hole. But the whole I want to fuck up a blood clot embassy with the big Batman flag up there. All you dry blood clot long time beat girl Sizzla. Sizzla go suck out your whole of your bubble them when you have a bubble hill Batman. Keep your blood clot Rastafarianism up a bubble hill pussy. You see now we have to come up the bumble hole lice your thinking ras. In pussy hole, many am pork, many am chicken, many am beef. Pussy you see me and am chunks. Look up body dread. Let me tell you this pussy hole. Who no not get book I have no permit to go nowhere. Because on the mind small like on a fucking look up wood them on have now on the shrink bars. Sizzla come a blood clot Jamaica and tell you now on a dunce, dirty blood clot Sizzla. Sizzla you want beard. You beat every one of your blood clot baby mother them. The whole of the bumbo clot girl pitney them and pitney will get raped at Jamaica. You never hear your little thinking rasta mouth in it yet. Mama don't cry. Everybody a cry down there. But the younger time you want to come out and say something out of your blood clot, green or mouth, pussy hole. I went to your ear sitting about batty man. Move your licey blood clot for your so pussy hole. Because you can't even left Jamaica but you know have some time. Turn down there. You know the blood clot brokenness. When last your book for now? Every blood clot mean into Africa. Pussy. Go build one house up the batty dread. Big pussy hole. You see now we are rasta? You see now we are rasta thinking Sizzla? You see now we are rasta? Pussy we are book you for go nowhere? Batty man. You did one go up a headline the show too. Pussy hole. You see now we are meds you. Bumbo hole. You know see look nuts. Big blood clot batty artist. He's my number one in a year country thinking it Sizzla. I know you're the number one years. You're the number one in your country, but one batty man have number one space in your country, licey thinking rasta. Move your now be a blood clot. You need to go out with the Christian them who say they want to trim all like rasta them thinking frozen rasta. You beat so much blood clot, girl, you come and talk about blood clot. Oh, yo, Ray, you mean it was me come up here about me and put my hand on blood clot, girl, me go jail. True, you not got blood clot jail for beat girl boy. But you down there every day, your baby mama they hate you. Because you don't mind your blood clot pitney them every day, your blood clot beat girl. But a sodomite and batty man of your blood clot licey head problem. You frozen and think no blood clot. Go beard, nasty thinking rasta. Go beard frozen dread. You think no bumbo clot. Go trim. Your bumbo clot smell like up a bubble in the pussy hole. In drunk, somebody call you over here, sir. You see nobody listen to your blood clot music them. I saw go listen to bumbo clot when you sang them a fuck Camille. He at you, pussy hole, he at you. Eh? Batty boy, you know how much batty man buy you little idiot sang them frozen dread. Probably most of your CD them when you sell a batty man buy them. Suck your mother and go and top beat blood clot girl. See they lock me up there. Me no lick my wife a blood clot gen junkro. You frozen and green no bumbo clot. You resembling flag them where you thinking dread them a from blood clot stage. More frozen dread. You think and dirty no blood clot. All no. Come boy, all you, hey Erica make sure it's the right thing you kiss your teeth for you no suck good girl. Know yourself in a girl. Cause I said to me there so shoot no phone. Don't forget gunshot in the head girl. Know yourself, hear that? Know yourself girl. Say if you there say kiss your teeth, you wrong reason, big pussy girl, hey girl, mouth, and come on from a blood clot life. You hear that girl? You hear that? Cause no phone around if you blood clot segregate and blood clot eat. When batty man no so no. Big pussy girl and big pussy boy. No sodomite and batty man no so no. I never see blood clot way. Me tell you say me a Christian pussy hole. Me tell you say me I still see I batty dread. Don't talk to me pussy hole. Don't reason with me. Ask me what me heal. Me no heal none of blood clot you know. I don't believe in what your blood clot believe in. Thinking rasta boy. Move your bumbo clot and go. Because Batman and Sodomite buy on a blood clot music them on a care blood clot top that. No for no pussy wall and get up and hate Batman and Sodomite. Straight people never buy on a song them yet. Be a Batman. Oh, I'm gonna support it. I like this song a lot. Mama don't cry. Yeah, I'm out of Batman. Say nothing Batman have mama too. Batman a buy on the music there. Move on the blood clot. Who never can talk about say this gay that, but you never want there in a blood clot mainstream. Go suck out my body hole and move on a blood clot hypocrite rascal for here so. Who never want in the people in blood clot place. Who never want to come up here and sing and make up on a blood clot rastanize them. But you don't have so much to say out on a blood clot stinking mouth. But name your chunks and sit down in a one corner batty man and go for here so pussy. How you man? Thinking dread, you see nobody a heal as God. Me believe in how your blood clot believe in her. Come on, you pity them and stop beat your baby mother them batty boy. And go from here so. But on the intelligent. You don't think on the intelligent if you do a gang up and batty man. Because you don't no blood clot thinking Sizzla. You think and dirty no blood clot. None of you rasta then can't beat me. You don't have nothing self-conscious boy, you dirty ras. You're thinking, Rasta. How much gun them find you with? You believe in a murdering people and how much in violent people they around you. Say nothing go kill people, but you walk or eat Batman. Go kill yourself, blood clot, nasty Sizzla. You think I'm frozen a bumbo clot. I can't stomach blood clot, you. You're one of the reasons why them Jamaica can't blood clot better. One time Silassi come down there and find out how owners Rasta dons. The man say me come down here so I go on some money. But me I go on that money, take you and build a school. That's why you have here Silassi on a dunce blood clot cult. But on a religion. Rasta can never be a religion. Una one cult. Una in no blood clot book as religion. Una cult. Because you believe in a blood clot segregation and hate. And boy one time when you girl them a see period, you don't give them no affection or touch them. Go away. Because I be a man who not feel up a bubble, he'll go suck on no mother. Move boy, I be a man if you wash on the locks. Because when I say girl pitting if you touch on the head, so a man a wash on the locks. What? We do no body cult and go suck out on a blood clot mother. Every day on the get up, oh, if you go over here, so that means say Jamaica and this, Jamaica and that. Pussy hole, body hole, shit pit, toilet hole, dog shit, crow bait. Let me ask you a question. Somebody did send come ask you when last you go up on a big show. You better go over Africa go live because over this alone a book you. Nobody no want to see you, Fizzla. Whistler, nobody no want to see you. Whistler go sit down in a one blood clot corner. Whistler we use and roll up weed. Pussy hole dread. Idiot frozen, licy, thinking it dread. Think dread. A roll, we roll Whistler. Batman. We no soon, you know. No, for we no soon, I will never see we. Me I wonder how they eat we so much.